पापा को बताओ क्या क्या करना है। काम करना है पापा। ट्री ट्री में पानी डालना था। आधी डालेगा। इसमें भी डालना, इसमें भी डालना। I just got a couple of clothing for free from Shireen.com and I really wanted to share it with you guys. I love the website. It's super fashion forward. The one thing that I loved about the website is that they have customer reviews on it, and although usually customer reviews are kind of paid reviews or false reviews, but this website I feel has quite true reviews because they were both positive, negative and like medium kind of comments as well, which I really liked. It was very helpful in choosing what I wanted, in letting you know, if when you read customer comments you can actually see that if some government says that it's large size, is it actually perfect to size or is it too large, too small. Again, another thing that they had was kind of like a star meter, so you can kind of, even if you don't want to like type in something, you can simply say that it fit me perfectly, 5 stars for that, or you know, it was a little loose on me or it was a little tight on me. And that I found was brilliant, and I really think every single garment company should have that because that is so important. I did have a little bit of problem finding something in my size, but for somebody who's medium and large, I think the site is a brilliant. Small, medium, large, you guys can find ample of stuff there. So what I ordered, or what I got for free, is this amazing kaftani style jacket. I really wished it could have reached me before I went off to Goa, but well, better late than never. Obviously it doesn't go with the kurta at all. I mean, I look like a doctor but I find that it's so cool and super beachy, and I need to take a beach vacation for this. The next thing I ordered, I have been seeing these skirts everywhere. I mean, like literally everyone has one, and I was dying to get one, and I was like, oh, I don't know, I guess I won't get it in my size. But ta-da! It's a metallic long skirt which is pleated, and this is like so cool. It's silver. I am already in love with this. It's a little bit too long for me, just realized that, but I think with a bit of heels, and this is just lovely. Okay, like I've been dying to own one of these, and I was so happy that yeah, I finally have one. So yeah, these are things I got from Shireen.com, and if you would like to get the same things, or if you would like to see more stuff or whatever, the links are down below in the description box, or you can just Google them. Hello guys, I don't think I said good morning to you today. Good morning. Although it's evening right now, it's just gone 5:20, and I'm going to go and get ready because we have a wedding to go to, which is in the Umrao in Delhi, which is like the biggest wedding place. It's like where all the best weddings happen, kind of a place like that. So we have a wedding to go to over there, so I'm going to go and get ready for that. I'm going to try and do something different with my hair because all of you always complain that I don't do anything with my hair. So I'm going to try. If it doesn't work out, then well, it'll either be in a pony or open. You'll see. I don't even know what I'm wearing right now, so I'm going to go and decide that. It's also my sister-in-law's birthday, so she came in the morning and we cut the cake and everything, and now we're going to go to her place as well for a little while and then go to the wedding. So yeah, that's one of the reasons I haven't been able to vlog a lot today, because we were just busy because, you know, with family stuff and things.
बड़े गोल गोल गड्ढे, गोरी गाय के काले बच्चे, आदि की चाचू गुम हो गई, ढूंढो। तुमने देखा? तुमने देखा? सबसे पूछो पहले, सबसे पूछो पहले, तुमने देखा? तुमने देखा? किसी ने नहीं देखा भी। चलो ढूंढो 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 ढूंढो
ढूंढ रहे हो? ढूंढो।
आटे बाटे तो करे पहले, तभी तो ढूंढेंगे। फिर पहले आटे बाटे तो करो, उसके बाद ढूंढेंगे। Clapping, oh, clapping.
and Araveer is asleep. Thank you so much for joining me in my day today. Not today, in fact in 2 days of my life, because I'm combining these vlogs. If you enjoyed them, then please give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Good morning, guys. Araveer has changed his schedule again, and now he sleeps comparatively later than he used to. Now he sleeps around 9:30, 10ish and wakes up at 9, which means my schedule has also changed because I do my editing and I do my work after he sleeps. So now I'm up till 1, 2 editing, and now I also wake up really late at 9. Araveer, आप मिट्टी खा रहे हो? इधर आओ, मिट्टी नहीं खाते। Come बेटा, मिट्टी नहीं खाते baby. I am having a big bowl of fruits for breakfast. Not entirely for breakfast, like if I feel hungry I'll have 2 pieces of bread as well, but I was just craving fruits right now so much, which is very rare. I very rarely crave fruits, and for the last 3 days I've been craving mango a lot, which is also again rare because I have 1 mango in a season and I'm done. Like, I love mangoes, but I know they come with their calories, so I have like 1 mango, and the cherry mango in the entire summer, and I'm happy. But this time I've just been like, I just want to taste different mangoes and I just want to have more mangoes, and I'm just loving mangoes. So this was my attempt of eating mangoes because I did not want to kind of fill up on just mangoes or have like 2-3 mangoes in one go, which I can, but I won't. So I was like, I'll just put it in a fruit bowl and have it along with other fruits so that my craving is satisfied and I'm still eating healthy-ish. Although technically, like, it's a good thing I'm not craving like chocolates. I'm craving mango, which is comparatively healthy, so it's still like a healthy craving. And to have your local seasonal fruits is still like okay. I think our bodies and our environment around us is made in a way that what suits your body is what is available in the season. So I guess it's actually perfectly okay for me to have mangoes. I'll ask my bhabhi of actually how much damage can a mango do. If you didn't know, my bhabhi is a dietitian and I'm following her diet these days, which is the reason my face is looking oval and not round. Kitty Jan कहाँ है? किच्ची मिल गई, किच्ची मिल गई। काम कर रहे हो? Araveer has just slept. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bath, but before that I'm gonna use a little face mask. I have decided to start taking better care of my skin and hair and everything. I mean, next year I'm gonna be 30, and like for me 30 is like when your skin starts to age a lot. Like in my mind, I feel like after 30 my skin would become absolutely horrible, so I need to start taking care of it. So I am applying this beauty formula with activated charcoal clay mask, which I have applied before and I absolutely love this. And while this dry, I'm going to read the Superwoman issue of La Official. I love it that she's on the front cover. I would love it even more if they had like, I mean, I know she's still an Indian YouTuber, but I would still love it if a magazine ever has like Indian YouTubers who live in India on the front page. That would be amazing. Also, the background noise, there's something happening in the Jain Mandir that's near us, so we'll have a lot of bhajans in my background today. Look who got up. Good morning. He just got up from his nap. We just finished taking a bath and getting ready. We're both he loves to look at my earrings. I am wearing Mickey Mouse earrings. We're both like in Disney today. Araveer is wearing a Mickey Mouse t-shirt, which hopefully let us yeah. He's wearing a Mickey Mouse t-shirt. I'm wearing a Mickey and Minnie t-shirt. So yeah, we're like, what can I do? What can I do? So we're both like in Disney wear today. कपड़े मम्मा कपड़े दिखा रही थी. आपको अच्छे लग रहे हैं कपड़े? मम्मा अच्छी लग रही है? Whenever I put on makeup or whenever I kind of get ready, he gets like so happy on seeing me like that because he's like, oh my god, mom is looking different today. नहीं आ रही है सोना, दे दो लंच, प्लेट दो, ले लगा लो प्लेट, ये रही प्लेट, प्लेट दाल दे दो।
अब ये खाएगा दाल चावल चीनी,
दाल
दही ले ली,
दही, करेले और आलू and roti. Araveer is a weird child. You must be wondering why am I giving such a little baby karele. He actually loves karelas, which is very weird. He actually genuinely likes karela. Me and my brother were huge Lego fans. We used to play with blocks all the time. Like, I think most of our childhood we have, I don't even remember playing with other toys. I remember playing with Barbie and with He-Man, but blocks have been like the toy that we used to play with. And I am like a little too excited for Araveer to play with blocks. He has a set. He got it on his first birthday. My mom gifted it. But we haven't used it so far because I wasn't, there you go. I wasn't so sure that if it's age appropriate, but now somehow I feel that maybe Araveer will enjoy it. So I'm a little too excited to kind of introduce blocks to Araveer right now. These are mega blocks called the First Builder, and can I just say I'm a little too excited right now. Blocks, it has 95 pieces, it says. Blocks. Blocks. Blocks, Araveer. ये देखो, ये पता है ऐसे पार्क नहीं जा रहे हम, शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं। Araveer कहाँ जा रहा है? बोलो। बंद कर दो। Araveer शॉपिंग जा रहा है, ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग। Araveer क्या आ रहा है? हवा आ रही है। We are right under an AC vent. He's saying हवा हवा हवा। गुम कर रहे हो? कहाँ गुम कर रहे हो? पार्क नहीं है ये, ग्रोसरी स्टोर। We are having some ice creams. Araveer is having vanilla. I am having strawberry crush, and my mother-in-law is having Shahi Meva Malai. This is from Mother Dairy. We were trying to find Amul because, well, Amul is the best, but we couldn't find it, so Mother Dairy it was. Also, I love how they give the spoons nowadays. It's pre-packaged in a nice little pack, which is brilliant. We are just getting some golgappe and burgers packed. I love street burgers. I know I'm on a diet, but I love street burgers. They're like the greasiest and yuckiest of all, but I love them. This is probably the greasiest, yuckiest and the most unhygienic burger, the Indian street burger. But I personally love these. These are like really good, especially the ones that you get on the Reri, which are like next to a very bad nala usually, but these are really nice. मैंने मुझे ठंडी लग रही थी, मैं जल्दी नहीं खा पाई थी, ये बहुत जल्दी खा रहा था, तो मैंने पूछा कि आयुर्वेद तुम्हें ठंडी नहीं लग रही थी? कहता नहीं नॉर्मल लग रही। We are having very strange kind of mosquitoes these days because they're not like getting killed by hit or by the usual good night or anything. Nothing is helping, so I'm going to go ahead and try this. This is the Maxo Genius card, magic card. Apparently that's what it comes with. That's the stand, which is like a makeshift kind of a thing. and I'm supposed to take one of the cards and burn it, and if they say within 3 minutes all the mosquitoes should be gone, let's try this.
मच्छरों को मरते हुए भी दिखाओ।
नहीं, मच्छरों को मरते हुए कैसे दिखा सकती हूँ? Roll the card, put it in magic card holder, light the edge of the card, blow out the flame. नहीं जलेगा ये पंखे से। कैसे जलाऊं? फिर यहाँ पे रख के जलाऊं?
पंखा बंद करना पड़ेगा।
वहाँ तो कौन जाएगा? इसका कार्ड होल्डर नहीं जल जाएगा? लाइक वो भी तो वही है। Well, it burned up pretty quickly. We don't know if it'll work, but let's see, because this corner where I work, that's my office in case you didn't know that little box. This corner where I work, there are a lot of mosquitoes at night time, and this is where I edit at night. So I don't know, let's hope it works. It burned off pretty quickly. Who knows? Anyways, if you enjoyed this vlog, then anyways, I'm gonna go back to editing. Anivir has already slept, and I'll see you guys soon. Make sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.